In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group things in Canva. If you've ever been working on a presentation, flyer, or social media graphic, and suddenly found your text, icons, and shapes shifting out of place, you already know how frustrating that can be. Grouping is one of the easiest ways to keep your design organized, save time, and move multiple elements together without ruining your layout. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to do it inside Canva in a simple and practical way. To begin, open Canva and go to your main homepage. From there, look through your recent designs and open the project you want to work on. Once your design is loaded into the editor, move your attention to the elements you want to combine. This could be a set of text boxes, a few icons, some shapes, or even images that belong together as one section of your design. Before you can group anything, you need to select all of the items you want included. There are two easy ways to do this. The first option is to click and drag your mouse from an empty area around the elements, creating a selection box that covers everything you want to highlight. This works well when the items are close together and easy to capture in one motion. If your design is more crowded, use the second option instead. Hold down the Shift key and click each element one at a time until all of them are selected. This gives you more control, especially in layered layouts. Once your elements are selected, look toward the top toolbar in Canva. You should see a group option appear in the contextual menu. Click it once, and Canva will instantly combine those separate items into a single grouped object. You'll know it worked when the elements are surrounded by one shared bounding box instead of individual borders. If you want to work even faster, you can also use keyboard shortcuts. After selecting your items, press Ctrl and G on Windows or Command and G on Mac. That groups them immediately and is a great shortcut to remember if you use Canva often. Now, if you need to edit just one item inside the group, you don't have to ungroup everything. Simply double-click the specific element you want to adjust. Canva will let you isolate that item, make your change, and then return to the full group when you click away. This is especially useful for fixing text or changing the color of a single icon. To finish, move your grouped design around the page and check Canva's alignment guides to make sure everything is positioned correctly. When you're happy with the result, go to the top right corner, click Share, then choose Download. Select PNG for digital use or PDF print for high quality printing, then click Download to save